Let's open a overtime pack. I have a feeling like this might be the most exciting part. And are you kidding me? Welcome to c49HockeyBreaks box break number 147. And today, as you could see in that intro, we have our free box of 1920 Upper Deck Series 1 from that overtime pack from the Allure break. We have box number 44. And as well, we do have Series 2 out tomorrow. So we'll have a break of that up on Thursday. Alright. Let's see how our free box of 1920 Series 1 turns out. Starting off with a Young Guns of Ilya Mikheyev. Energy of Tyler Seguin. UD Portraits, Carter Hart. Energy of Brad Marchand. UD Portraits rookie of Alexander Tetier. Young Guns of Blake Lizotte. UD Game Jersey of Elias Lindholm. That box is not going through. Generation Next, Brady Tkachuk. UD30, Patrick Waugh. Young Guns of Taro Hirose. UD Canvas of Ben Bishop. Final pack from the top. We have a Young Guns canvas of Adam Fox. Very nice. On to the bottom two stacks. We have a Young Guns of Zach Senyshyn. Energy of Max Domi. UD Portraits of Vladimir Tarasenko. Calling Young Guns in this pack. And I was wrong. UD Portraits, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Energy of Clayton Keller. That has to be a Young Guns. I can't say I've seen a stack of this year's Series 1 and not have a Young Guns in it. And again, that stack, I don't know, the Adam Fox is on the top. So, Shooting Stars, Andrei Svechnikov. We do still have 2 Young Guns to go. UD 30, Connor McDavid. Ooh, double hit pack, nice. UD 30, Wayne Gretzky. And in auto, signature sensations, Danton Heinen. So we got the auto from that case. Autos are 1 per case. So, very nice. Not bad for a free box. Young Guns of Connor Timmins. Still could have one more Young Guns in these last 3 packs. We have a UD Canvas, Brock Nelson. UD Canvas, Thomas Hurdle. And our final pack here should have a Young Guns. It does. I seen the blue. Teddy Bluger. Teddy Bluger, Young Guns, ends off this break. A pretty decent box, if you ask me. We will do a quick recap. Energy, Tyler Seguin. UD Portraits, Carter Hart. Energy, Brad Marchand. UD Rookie Portraits, Alexander Tetier. Next Generation, Brady Tkachuk. Patrick Waugh, UD 30. UD Canvas, Ben Bishop. Energy of Max Domi. UD Portraits of Vlad Tarasenko. UD Portraits, Pierre-Luc Dubois. Energy, Clayton Keller. Shooting Stars of Andrei Svechnikov. UD 30 of Connor McDavid. UD 30 of Wayne Gretzky. UD Canvas, Brock Nelson, and a Thomas Hurdle. UD Canvas. And then our good hits. Our Young Guns, Ilya Mikheyev, Blake Lizotte, Taro Hirose, Zach Senyshyn, Connor Timmins, Teddy Bluger, and Young Guns weren't the best, but UD game jersey of Elias Lindholm. This is probably the best hit of the box. Young Guns Canvas, Adam Fox. But we also got a auto signature sensations, Danton Heinen. Well, folks, that does it for a pretty decent free box, I must say. Not too disappointed with it. So, if you did enjoy, feel free to leave a like, comment below, and if you haven't yet hit the subscribe button, make sure you do so. We got 1920 Series 2 out tomorrow, break up on Thursday, so stay tuned for that, and don't miss future box breaks, 6-pack Saturdays, and Sunday uploads.